everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a stop button detector in Scratch. A stop button detector detects when you press the stop button. When you press the green flag, the scratch cat disappears. When you press the stop button, it appears. First, go to Events and take out a one green flag clicked block. Then go to Looks, scroll down and take out a hide block. Then go to Control and take out a forever loop. Now go to Variables and create a variable called Timer. Then take the set my variable to 0 block and then change it to timer. Then go to sensing and take out a timer block and put it inside here. Then go to events and take out this block. Change it to timer. Then go to variables and take out a timer block and put it inside here. Then go to looks, scroll down and take out a show block and put it here. Now it should work. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Bye!